moving with an alcohol. We discussed what is an alcohol, introduction, but now we are just talking about methods of preparations of alcohols. We have several methods that can be used to prepare alcohols. One is hydrolysis of halides. Halides, if now you come to the definition of the halides, halides, the combination of the alkyl with the halogens. It is where now you form what we call it halides. Now halides are formed once now you have the combination of the alkyl and halogens. Now you refer back, we said alkyl is one hydrogen less from the alkane. Manake alkyl inapungukiwa hydrogen moja kutoka kwenye alkane. Example, methane becomes methyl. This is CH3 plus Cl. This is an example of halides. This is an example of halides. Means the combination of the alkyls and the halogens together to form what we call it halides. Now, hydrolysis. Once this undergo hydrolysis, means addition of these alkyls. Now, addition of this alkyl, we call them alkylides. Addition of the alkyl or base, we call them hydrolysis of halides. Now, when you look at this one, this is the alkyl. If now this is the alkyl and this is the halogens, therefore, when you look at this one, this is a metal. We get together with the non-metal to form what we call it potassium. This is the potassium halogens. And this is the example. This is now ethyl chlorides. It is called ethyl chlorides. If this is the ethyl chlorides, this chlorine will get together with this potassium to form potassium chlorides. This is what it is formed. Then this will substitute here. Will be substituted here to form alcohol. This is the ethanol. It is called ethanol. Ethanol. This is an ethanol. This is how it is formed. Now this is called hydrolysis of halides. Manake huyu ataungana kwa pamoja na huyu kutengeneza potassium chloride. Alafu huyu OH group atakuja kusubstitute hapa, atakuja kufanya replacement. This OH group will come and become replaced instead of chlorine that is being get together with this one to form potassium chloride. Kwa maana hiyo huyu ataungana na huyu kutengeneza potassium chloride. Halafu huyu OH atakuja kuwa replaced badala ya chlorine ambapo tayari atatengeneza alcohol. That is called ethanol. And the second example is right here. When you look at this one, this is a halide. This is a halide. Therefore, this chlorine will combine together with potassium to form potassium chloride. And this will come and replace where we have removed this chlorine. Therefore, we form OH group at the place where this chlorine has been removed to form potassium chloride. And this is what you may see here. This is the secondary alcohol. Now this is a secondary alcohol, that is we call it, this is what we call it propanol, because we have replaced the OH from here. Huyu hapa OH group anakuja kureplace hapa. Huyu anaungana na huyu kutengeneza kile tunachokiita OH group ambayo ni alcohol. And the second method, we call it hydration of alkenes. This is addition of water to alkenes. This is water, liquid. Water liquid is analyzed in this form. This is water liquid. If this is water liquid, this will come and attach the functional group. Means that this hydrogen will come and join this hydrogen. And this OH group will come and join this place. Therefore, it is because here, this have got 2 electrons. Also, this have got 2 electrons. And also, here, we have this one. One of the electrons will be transferred here, and also one of the electrons will be transferred here to form 2 electrons. And the second electrons will be transferred here, and this also to form this one. That is why this OH group will come under, will be replaced here, and this will be replaced here. This now, we have 3 hydrogen, then we have left with 1 bond, then this is 2, this is the OH. This is the ethanol, this is alcohol. This is the addition of water, that is the hydration of alkenes. And catalyst, we call concentrated sulfuric acid, means this sulfuric acid is a catalyst which is there to speed up the rate of chemical reaction and does not alter the products. That is why hydration of the alkenes produces what we call it alcohol. And this water attacks the functional group, that is alkenes, so as to produce one hydrogen is replaced here to form CH3 instead of CH2. And OH group is replaced here to form CH2 with OH group, which is the functional group of alcohol. Now, the third process that can be used to prepare alcohol is hydrogenation of aldehyde or hydrogenation of ketone. Aldehyde means addition of hydrogen to aldehydes or ketones. Example, this is an aldehyde. If this is an aldehyde, it is called ethanol. It is called ethanol. If this is ethanol, once the hydrogen is added to it, we form what we call it alcohol. This is the hydrogen, means hydrogen. This will come and attach the functional group. The reactive part of the organic compounds is called functional group. Now, this will come and attach here to form OH group. And this will come and attach here to form CH. Now, this will be removed to remain with 1 bond. That is what now we are having. 2 hydrogen are here, which is here, and then OH group is the OH group. It is here to show that now this is alcohol formed, and it is called ethanol. It is called ethanol. This is ethanol. Now, ethanol is formed once you have hydrogenated this ethanol. This is what we can say. But also ketone, also this is ketone. This now, it is propanone. It is called propanones. Propanones, it is called ketone. Now, ketone now can be hydrogenated, means we can add hydrogen to it so as we may form what we call it a secondary alcohol. Means this hydrogen can be added to the functional group. This one hydrogen becomes here, and this hydrogen becomes here. Because of the purpose, this is a divalent element. Then, therefore, we have to remove this bond. So as 1, 2, 3, 4, this is a tetravalent element to form what we call it secondary alcohol. Now, secondary alcohol can be formed after we have taken hydrogen to put together with ketone to form secondary alcohol. And the primary alcohol can be formed by hydrogenating aldehydes to form what we call it primary alcohol. Now, this is the third method of how we can prepare alcohol. Now, the first method on how we can prepare alcohol, we have Grignard synthesis. Grignard reagents can be used to prepare alcohol. And this can prepare all of the 3 types of alcohol. I mean, primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. Example, if now we are having, this is an example of the Grignard reagents. This is an example of the Grignard reagent. Means it is an alkyne. It is alkyne plus magnesium plus halogens. This is called Grignard reagents. Now, once you have in the same compound, you are having alkynes, magnesium, and halogens. We are just talking about Grignard reagents. Now, once you have taken grignard reagents plus ketone, the alcohol may be formed if it is followed by hydration. Hydration means addition of water. Example, you may see this is a grignard reagent added with this ketone. Therefore, this will come and attach the functional group to form this one. Means this MgCl will come and join here. MgCl, you may see it is here, and this alkyl group will come and attack here also to form this one. If now this is followed by hydrations, mean addition of water, this is what we call it tertiary alcohol is formed. Means the 30-degree alcohol is formed. But if now you are looking for the primary alcohol, for the secondary alcohol, you may have, this is what we have aldehyde, apart from formaldehydes, apart from methanol. Apart from methanol, you may prepare methanol. Apart from methanol, you may prepare what we call it secondary alcohol. Means what? If now this is ethanol, then reacted together with the grignard reagents with this one, means this will come and attack here to form this one, and this also will come and attack. They both of them they attack at the functional group of the organic compounds. Means this will be attacked, will replace here, and this replace here to form this one. Now this is followed by hydrolysis, means addition of alcohol, means addition of water. This is this one, OH. This is liquid. Water liquid is formulated by this one. Now, this is what we consider. Now, this OH group will come and replace this one. And this will be formed to form this one. Now, using grignard reagent, we may prepare the secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, and primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is only possible once you have in methanol. You just use methanol plus a grignard reagent to form what we call it primary alcohol. This is how we can form primary alcohol. It is all followed by hydrolysis. By hydration of this one. If now the grignard reagent reacts with ketone, they form what we call it tertiary alcohol. And when the grignard reagent reacts with aldehydes are different from methanol, they form what we call it secondary alcohol. But once it reacted, this grignard reagent reacted with what we call it methanol, that is formaldehydes. What is formed is the primary alcohol, and it is always ethanol. It is always ethanol. It is always ethanol. Now, ethanol is produced once a grignard reagent is reacted with the formaldehydes to produce what we call it primary alcohol. And the last method that can be used to prepare alcohol, we are having fermentation, and this is the most popular fermentation. Popular method that can be used to produce what we call it alcohol by using bacteria. That is decomposing of the large organic compounds by especially glucose, especially carbohydrates. When carbohydrate is decomposed by using bacteria, it forms what we call it alcohol, and that method is called fermentation. And most of the industries, they use this method to produce what we call it alcohols, and that is people use it just for drinking. That is how we can solve. Now, methods that are used for preparation of alcohol, we have hydrolysis of halides, and the second method is hydration of alkene, that is addition of water to alkenes. And the third method is hydrogenation of aldehyde and ketones. Now, means addition of hydrogen to aldehydes or ketones to form whether primary and secondary alcohol. And the method that can be used, the first method is grignard reagents. Using grignard reagent, you can prepare the primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol by using grignard reagents. Once now you react the reaction between grignard reagents and the ketones, followed by hydrations, we form what we call it tertiary alcohol, that is third degree. But once the grignard reagent reacts with the aldehyde. Apart from methanol or formaldehydes, the secondary alcohol is produced. But once formaldehydes reacted with what we call it grignard reagent, a primary alcohol are formed. That is ethanol. So these are the five important methods that can be used to prepare alcohol. Now that is what we can. If now you've been taught to explain the methods of preparation of alcohol, now you can mention those.